Hazrat Abu Wail radiyallahu anhu reports that it was said to Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu, "Why don't you negotiate with so and so, Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu?" He radiyallahu anhu said, "You think that I talk to him only what I let you hear? I rather talk to him in loneliness so that there should not be any further outlet for mischiefs, and I may not be the first one to do so. Since I have heard a hadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have not said about anyone that he is the best of people, though he is my chief." The people inquired, "What did you hear the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying?" He said that he heard him sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "On the doomsday a man will be brought, then he will be hurled into hell, and his intestines will come out in the fire. He will move around carrying them as an ass moves around a grindstone. The other denizens of hell will cluster around him and say, 'Oh, so and so, how did you reach this stage? Did not you bid us to do good and forbid us to do evil deeds?' He will reply, 'I used to ask you to do good, but I myself would not do good, and forbid you to commit evils, but I myself would indulge in them.'" Gundar Shoba Amash has also reported it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3267.